What's going on, guys? Putco Paul here. Today we're looking at our Sideliner peripheral lighting kits. This is going to be our amber strobe light kits for the rocker of your vehicle. It's got a really custom mount, really rugged, heavy-duty application. It's give you a really unique light up point on your vehicle. Let's dive into it, take a closer look. So first off, you can see it's our work blade platform. So you'll see it's going to be a work blade kind of laid in to an aluminum de-extrusion. So work blade, as you know, it's going to be a fully encapsulated IP69K rated light bar with over 2,000 chip-on-board LEDs to give you that really thin, kind of uniform lighting output, so you can't see the individual diodes. It's going to have 64 strobe patterns between amber, amber white, amber blue, and blue white. So you have a lot of options there for whatever strobe color you need for your area. And a lot of patterns there too. It's going to be laid in, so work blade's going to actually be laid in as aluminum de-extrusion, epoxied on both ends, and using genuine 3M automotive tape to lay it in. So it's going to be a really nice attachment to the bracket here. And then the actual back of the extrusion is going to be T-slotted too. So it'll mount right into a very custom bracket kit for the truck too. It's going to mount right on the rocker near the frame. And then you'll get a really nice no drill, bolt-on, easy mount there too. And it comes with pigtail wiring as well, so you'll be able to wire into any 12-volt lighting source in your vehicle. That's been the Sideliner LED kit. For more information, visit www.putco.com. Check us out on YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. And yeah, see you next time.